Outboard motor stand. Not everybody needs one, but when you do need one, you need one. And this is an extra heavy duty one because it's going to be holding a 125 horse motor on it. When I go to pick it up, we're swapping out the motor in our pontoon boat. And when I do the swap, I'll be taking off a 90 horse, which is also quite heavy. So I need something to put it on, and then when I do eventually go and sell that 90 horse, I'll probably sell the stand here with it, because after this I won't have any use for it. But I didn't go into any details while I was putting this together because it's blazing hot out here and I need to get this done. But I'm going to give you a kind of a once over here, a little bit of a close-up of what some of the things are and a couple of the dimensions, although you should measure your motor for whatever you are building it for. I'll get you up close here and you can have a look. Okay, kind of give you a once over here what everything's made out of here. The top is a 2x10 and the upright supports are 2x4. The piece across the bottom is a 2x6 and the base pieces are 4x4s, and they are treated because a treated 4x4 was actually cheaper than a non-treated in this particular day for whatever reason. Braces on the sides here are made from 2x6, and as you can see there, I did a route and lead in on that 4x4 for the 2x4 to nest inside it. You wouldn't have to do that, but since I got all the stuff, I decided to get just a little bit fancy. Do that. This is the back side here. We have a diagonal brace as well, and we have some holes drilled in the 4x4s where I'll be bolting this down to the trailer, and there will still be tie-downs on it. It won't be just relying on the bolts. And I will be bolting the motor to this 2x10 here. Of course, this is the back side. Get back around here to the front. I don't know what the exact bolt spacing is, so I'll just take a drill with me and some bolts when I go to pick it up. I'm too far away from the pontoon boat to go down and measure because I'm at home. The pontoon boat's up at camp in the river. So how tall is this thing? It's 40 inches tall. And it's 32 inches wide. Again, if you're making one for your own motor, take some measurements and build it to size. This has to support a lot of weight. That's why it's kind of built what I call 10-ton. So there's a once over of the outboard motor stand. If you wanted to build one, you could. Again, as I mentioned at the beginning of this, to make sure you take some measurements first and know what sizes you actually need. This is built to size for this 125 horse I'm going to be putting on it. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Roger, just right outside the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.